$1 million pump. Apparently, that's what's going on in the world today. And apparently, XRP is going to $10. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to go ahead and talk about it. We're going to cover the Bitcoin weekly close. This is actually this week. We have successfully broken out of the downtrend. We are on our way up. Memes are going absolutely bonkers. And you will not. So what's happening? Should I talk about the memes now, or should we go to the Bitcoin weekly close and then we'll talk about memes? Actually, I'm going to do a little bit here because my mind is going super crazy. Good morning. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're not brand new to the channel, thank you for being here. Smash a like, share this, everything. Today, no football. So I'm going to go out for a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Hopefully get to have some lunch with some friends, but we'll see how that goes. But anyways, so this is how the memes are being played. Really cute, adorable animals over on the ticky-tacky, or funny trends like the hawk to whatever that is, like stupid trends happen on TikTok because everything breaks on TikTok first. Then it goes to crypto Twitter. Crypto Twitter makes meme coins out of it and number goes up. These things go absolutely freaking crazy. Absolutely crazy. And then people start taking profit. People start dumping their bags. So we're going to talk about that too. I want to show you guys an example of that. As always, there's a lot of opportunity to make money in crypto, but there's also a lot of opportunity to lose money if you don't take profit. That's one of the biggest ones too. Well, a lot of it is the rugging because Solana, it's super easy to rug. But if you are not taking profit, you're going to get absolutely wrecked. And when I talk about taking profit, I'm not talking about Bitcoin. I'm not talking about some of the larger stuff. I'm literally talking about the most risky stuff. And with that being said, you don't have to sell everything. You make a moon bag. Means you pull out initial investments, some profit, enough for taxes. You let the rest ride, and you just keep pulling it out like a bank account. It's a lot of fun. So we're going to talk about all the stuff we're in. Again, entertainer, shock jock over here. But let's first talk about this story. So this is why people are well, this is one of the many reasons why people are anticipating numbers going to go up. So first and foremost, nobody got their FTX distributions yet. So it's $16 billion. It's going to start probably tomorrow. So what does that mean? So there's about $16 billion on this creditor's revenue summary that is anticipated to go back into crypto. Some of it will go back into crypto. Also, too, when you're talking about bankruptcy and how all of that is distributed, it takes time. It's never just all of it at once. We saw that with Mt. Gox. Shout out to Simon's Cap. So I want to be real with you. What are the chances of all $16 billion going into crypto? It's not. It's not. Some of it might, but you guys have to understand, when people's money is locked up, they can't necessarily they're not going to be able to do anything with it, but there's still tax obligations. People have bills. There's all these different factors that come into it. So it's not just going to directly go into the market. So you're not going to have this crazy $16 billion pump. Will some of it go in the market? Yes. Will all of it go in the market? No. And again, this is going to take time. It's just these people are not going to get their money like that. It takes time. It could take months. It could take years, depending on what the personal situation is. And you also have to understand, people are going to have, a lot of people got wrecked from the crypto contagion. So they are going to have to use some of their creditor money that they're getting to pay bills, to do taxes, to reconcile things. Can we see like this narrative come in that, or we're seeing it happen now, people are getting super excited. But again, I want to be a realist with you. And I'm not being negative, not being bearish. It's just how it works. Like, I know people that work in bankruptcy and you don't get your money like that. So just keep that in mind. We'll see some of that money come into crypto, but not all of it. And it's going to take some time. So just keep that in mind. A couple other bullish things that are happening. CZ is officially out of jail. We talked about that yesterday, and people are excited about it, as they should be. We will talk about XRP in a little bit because I know the ticky-tackies are getting really, really excited about it. Also, too, I want to say that you people that are investing in FTT, you guys are absolutely degens. You're a mental diminished capacity because FTT pumped 80% in the past 24 hours, and there's literally no use for it. It is a crypto asset that is affiliated with a bankrupt crypto exchange. Have fun with this. Have fun with it. I don't know what the heck's going on. So there's that. But let's go ahead and talk about what's going off in the crypto community with Bitcoin Weekly Close. And shout out to SQUIDGROW. We are going to grow. It's taken a little bit of time though. And the reason why is we got to get our Silentswap launched, and we will get it launched. It's just taking some time. And the reason why it's taking some time is because that's what happens. You can't just put crap products out overnight and expect everything to run smoothly. We would rather wait and put things out when it makes sense. So it's coming. It's coming. Just be patient. If you guys don't know what Silentswap is, cross-chain aggregator, private transactions, and I work with SQUIDGROW, and they are a channel partner. Also, too, we got a super chat. Shout out to Victor for the $1.99 super chat. He said, just saw Skibbity Toilet token. Yeah, Skibbity Toilet token. And shout out to Crypto Lavish for the 99 super chat. Appreciate it. Appreciate. As Adam's still relevant, people like it. And that's the thing. One of the things that you are going to see is a lot of these older coins, people are like holding on and hoping that it's going to go up. And a prime example of this is with Ethereum. So we don't know. We don't know. I hope it does. But right now, memes are taking lead. So as far as crypto bubbles go, this is the weekly. Pepe, 40%. Shout out to the Hexicans, 82%. FTT, 79%. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. I want to go to a fresh, naked little chart over here and just kind of talk about what's happening. We'll get rid of all the drawing tools here. Move drawing tools. Okay. So this is going to be the weekly. Market cipher looks beautiful. We opened at 63.4. We are currently trading about $66,000. That is bullish. We've broken out of the downtrend. The downtrend on the weekly, why is it not doing that? This is what it looks like. Something like this. Okay. This is what the downtrend looks like. Something along those lines. Again, not drawn correctly, but as you can see, we are in a downtrend. I just wanted to show that to you. We're making higher lows, lower highs. I always get those two confused, but anyways, we're breaking out. We're starting to make some really, really nice upward price action. We will eventually go into price discovery. Price discovery is when you're trading at areas that have been up or down. So super high prices or super low prices. That's price discovery. Price discovery on the below support, generally 0. But anyways, this is looking absolutely beautiful. Again, it does take a while for things to play out on the weekly chart, larger timeframes. Also on the daily, we're a little bit flat. Market cipher does show a potential dip, which is totally fine. And I'll show you why. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart wants to rock up. So overall, we are looking really good. Very, very, very good. And I do want to take a quick look at the monthly because we're getting ready to close. This right here on the monthly, this is an insane candle. The fact that we were down here at 52.6 and now we're trading at 65,000, bullish, incredibly bullish. And we created beautiful support here, and we are going to be closing above last month's opening and the month prior, July's close. Well, no, yeah, the close, not the swing wick. So again, this is bullish on long term. Now this chart over here, Bitcoin's chart, I said that we needed to close above the 65,000, and right now it's looking like we're going to do so. That's what it's looking like to me, especially on the weekly. So we'll see what happens. Again, we could have pullbacks, we could have volatility, but when we kind of look at the daily, we would really have to drop about 2%, have a pretty gnarly 2% drop, which I know is 2%, not super big. We'd have to have a 2% drop. I don't think we're going to close below that. I don't see that happening. I could be wrong though. I hope I'm wrong. Or I just don't see it happening. And again, I want us to continue to go up. And again, I'm still a little bit tired. Now, really quickly, Solana. Solana is trading right at our resistance area at about $157. Let's see if we're able to break above it or close above it. That would be wonderful. On the weekly, weekly's looking nice. If we can get above this area, I don't know. We might have a little bit of trouble, so we'll see. On the daily, it does look like we might get a little bit of a correction, possibly down to like 152. And taking a look at the 4 hours just grinding. And we did get a green dot, generally nice upward price action. And we've held support here at about 155. So we'll see what happens with Solana. Now with Ethereum, as Ethereum matters, especially with the memes, because there's memes out there. The Ethereum looks the weakest out of everything. Really looks the weakest to me here. We are in an uptrend, which is nice. Weekly looks the most bullish out of all the Ethereum charts, but on the daily, it looks like we're not gonna close above 2,700 and just continue to trade between 2,500 and 2,700 here. That's what it's looking like to me. So those are what's kind of going on in the market right now. It's very exciting stuff. Everything is going up. I know you can't see my screen. You have to go on YouTube because TikTok doesn't push my videos over there for some reason. I'm sorry. It is what it is, you guys. So we gotta do both. But let's go ahead and get into some meme coins. I'm invested in all these meme coins, whether I've just put money in, I've made a moon bag, etc. So please understand that entertainment purposes only. Do with this what you want. And some of the ones that we called last week did really, 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 really well. Really, really well. And if you got in, this is the way we play meme coins, okay? We see something stupid and we just toss a little bit of money into it and we see what happens. We understand if we're tossing money into it, then it probably will go to zero in most cases. But if it starts going upwards, we pull out that initial investment super fast. And then what we have is our, then our moon bag, and then we keep pulling as it goes, as it continues to go up, depending. But we're watching the charts. We like to use a 15-minute, 30-minute, 15 minutes better, 15-minute, sometimes a minute. That's insane, but I know. 15 minutes, all of that stuff, shorter stuff. And with the meme coins, you want to get in and out super fast. And when I say get in and out super fast, it's not selling everything. It's not dumping the chart, but it's taking profit. You want to at least get your initial investment out. And yes, you can, like, you're going to get outliers like Pepe, and you're going to get outliers like Bonk and Whiff and that type of stuff. But at the same time, there's tens of thousands, maybe 100,000 different meme coins that are coming out all the time that are claiming to be the next X, Y, and Z. And if you have a moon bag, you're fine. And that's something to really consider, to really pay attention to, because I'm seeing people just get absolutely decimated. Like, I'm seeing all these crazy P&L shots and they're not taking profit. If you put $1,000 into something, and you're not taking profit, like this, for example, hold on. I want to see if this was the one I'm thinking about over here. Yeah. Okay. So for example, this is, I believe this is the correct MOODANG. This is the TikTok meme over here, $279 million. People are probably dumping in money, but this is the daily over here. And yesterday, well, today, started dumping. Like, it hit a high of like 33 cents, and then it hit a low in the last 2 days, hit a low of 18 cents. If you're somebody who put money like on this wick here, and you didn't take profit when it went up a little bit, or at least moved your initial investment, you probably lost money. Can this thing keep going up? 100%. Will it? I have no idea. But again, it's very, very, very important to realize your profit, because if you're not realizing profit, you can round trip these things to zero, and you don't want to round trip any of this stuff. The whole entire reason why we do meme coins, like, we all know how risky they are, but the reason why I'm regurgitating this information is because I have folks from all different walks of life, all different platforms with different skill sets that are watching and listening to this. Sometimes y'all need a reminder too. It's okay to take profit because you never know what's going to happen. So I'm not invested in MOODANG, not invested, but is what it is. All right. Silentswap makes it easy for everyone to have privacy. Yes. And it's going to be incredibly important. Oh, ping is blasting. I think I have some ping somewhere. I have to check. I still have to check. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Don't round trip your memes. Make Moonbag and move to the next. Yeah. Listen to Raider. He knows. Also too, we're going to get into the memes that we're invested in. LOL. I do want to take a look at XRP just because the ticky tackies, they wanted me to take a look. XRP is up, which is wonderful. Makes me happy to see. Good for the XRP community. So this is the XRP chart here. Okay. And it's really kind of been, it's technically in an uptrend, but it's really been going sideways since 2022. Like, we can do this really long trading sideways thing. Box. I can't think right now. I had too many guava margaritas last night. I made them at home. They're so good. I got mango chamoy and tahini. Oh, so good. But I'm out of tequila. Anyways, XRP is up today, or this week. Let's see what she's doing. She's up about 14%. So that's good. Taking a look at the daily. Nice. We're breaking out of this little resistance area. Oh, nice. Good. So let's hope that XRP goes to 75 cents. My back is a little bit better. I actually put a heating pad. I had a heating pad and thing on for like 24 hours, and it helped a lot. I can actually move, if you notice. Thank you so much for asking. I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and get into some memes. Okay, so this is LOL. This is LOL. And we're in this. And basically what happens, this is like what a CTO looks like, because the chart was kind of flat for a month, but we got in at around 1.4 million. We took profit and we have a moon back. So this is the 15-minute chart. And again, we are going to be looking at price market cap. Hold on. We're going to be looking at market cap. I just like looking at the market cap better with memes. It works. And shout out to Raider for that tip. Raider has given me so many tips because this is his job. He lives in the trenches between doing all the other crazy things that we're doing all the time. But this is what the chart looks like. It was flat for super, super long since July. And then somebody took the project over and it ran. Okay. It ran. It's correcting now a little bit on the daily. Let's go ahead and let's scale in a little bit. And I know we got to go to lower time frames. So taking a look at the hour over here, hour looks like it kind of found support at about, at about 3 point, let me see. We need to hold support over here for Mr. LOL. And again, this is LOL Soul. Let me take a look at the 30-minute and see. Let's see. Market, yeah, we're already up. We're doing pretty good on this. Yeah, this is actually looking good to me. Yeah, looking good on the 15. It looks like number wants to go back up again. So again, this is what a CTO looks like. But again, if you take a look at the daily, it's a lot of up over here. So just be cautious. Be really, really cautious. And then DOGGO too. So DOGGO, we actually talked about multiple times. And this one was the 2-year. It's the project that's been around for 2 years. There was a CTO. And we got in, or we first talked about it around $500,000 market cap. And it ran up to about 4 million. So if you guys got in, good. Basically, we want to look for the floor here, and it looks like we're semi starting to find a floor here at about 1.7 million. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute over here just to make sure. Yeah, the floor is holding pretty nicely here. So let's just hope that it stays. If it doesn't stay, it might not do really well. I don't like that swing wick low, but at the same time, we did find the floor thus far. Let's take a look at the 15. 15 was looking okay. So just as long as we hold this line over here, we should hit some nice upward movement. And then this one, Yuki. Is this the one? Sorry, we're in like so many right now. All right, this one is at a $1 million market cap. Hold on, I want to make sure that this is link reach. Raider, is this the walrus one? Is this the walrus one? Is it? Is this the walrus one? Shout out to Mr. R. Don't run. Raider, is this the walrus one? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I think this is the walrus one. I don't know. But anyways, like I'm like chilling and I see like this walrus coin and I'm like, I messaged Raider. I was like, let's look at this. So I think it's a walrus one. And the reason why the walrus one is so funny to me, like we got in at 1.3, we got a moon bag at 3 million, and we'll kind of see what happens now because it's back at 1 million now. It's back at 1 million now. And I think that this is the walrus one. And the reason why the walrus one is so funny is because I have a story about a walrus and this guy that I know. And I can't say it's not appropriate. It's not my story to tell either. But anyways, shout out to getting paid $160 for a ride home and buying a Faster Pussycat shirt. That's all I'm going to say. Shout out to Wilford Brimley. Anyways, we're in this. We got a moon bag of all kinds of crap. And it looks like we need to really wait for it. Did it find its floor? Let's see. Yeah, I found a floor over here at about 500,000. So let's see what it does. But yeah, we'll see. I think that's the right one. Then of course, Goo, we talked about this last week, last Sunday. It's on Ethereum. We got in around 5 million and it did run up to 20 million. And then we did make a moon bag again. And hopefully we established that floor, which it looks like we did at about 6.8 million over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hour and get a zoom out a little bit over here. Zoom out. Yeah, it looks like I found the floor over here. So hopefully it's in a downtrend. So what we need to do, hopefully it hold on a second. Let's see. There's this. So hopefully it just does this and then it runs again. We'll see. And again, it's really hard to do technical analysis on stuff. And then, of course, CATE, we're in on this too. We got a moon bag of this. Market cap is at 10.5 million. And we talked about it at 10 million, and then it ran up to 50 million. And again, like hopefully with the floors stays here around this. Let me go ahead and change to market cap over here. Yeah. So let me look to a larger time frame on the daily. Okay. Yeah. So this thing like found a really nice floor. You can see that on the daily. So just as long as we really stay above 8 million, hopefully things do well. And I want to say that this is the one that they donated 100,000 USDT to Vitalik, and we're kind of waiting to see what he does with that. Hopefully that will send some positive price action to this thing. We'll see though. But again, moon bags on all this stuff. You got to be really, really careful. This stuff and you might even find the next meme on TikTok. But this thing is running again, which is really nice on the 15. So cool. Be careful on these though. And then of course, yeah, that was pretty much it for the day. You guys, I think. Degen channel, Degen brain. Yeah, kind of, sort of. Anyways, though, that's kind of what's going on with the market. Like everything is really excited. Everyone's excited. Everyone is bullish. Number goes up. Taking a look really quickly at the daily, I really, really, really just want to get that close above the 65,000, which is making everybody super, super bullish. But with that being said, you guys, there's not really much else to say. Right now, focus on the meme coins, focus on the lower cap stuff. Understand there's a lot more risk associated, but at the same time, you're going to make a lot more money there than if you want. Okay, let me rephrase that. Bitcoin is always the safest, in my personal opinion, long term. Okay, the safest long term. But if you've got some disposable income and you want to be a degen and you've decided you want to do this, that's your business. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Have fun, understand there's a lot of risk, but you're going to see the most gains with meme coins. And I highly recommend if this is all new to you, start paper trading this stuff. Start paper trading. And then if you can build up a good track record, have fun. But again, not financial advice. I'm an entertainer. Always the safest is Bitcoin. Always. Just dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin. Shout out to Caesar for the $10 super chat. I appreciate you. Petrushka. And this is the thing, you guys, we talk about things real. We talk about like crazy crypto news every single day. Sundays are fun. They're for the degen stuff. Also too, if you want to hear something real, I got this cute little vest at the thrift store for like $5 with 20% coupon. I got this cute little skirt at the thrift store. It was free, people, for $6. So that's something real. Anyways, I'm going to get going. I'm going to go enjoy my day. And you guys do it too. Have fun, sending y'all love. But on Sundays, we just rock. We rock and roll over here. Sending y'all love and light. WendyO is out. Bye, babies. Have a good rest of your day. I appreciate you guys. Remember, not financial advice. Have fun, though.